Yes, I am excited about today's review. I am doing something a little bit different. I usually turn you guys onto fragrances. This time, we're doing a review on a house that a subscriber turned me on to.
This what you want! I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. Can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. I'm your host Cam, and I am so excited to be bringing this review to you today. It is a new niche house, or kind of new or whatever, but it is Beach Geeza. A little while back, we did like some summer and vacation top 10 lists. Somebody dropped down in the comments, yo, you need to peep Beach Geeza, you need to check out Coco Moon. So, making sure that I do my due diligence, I had to follow up on that little tip. And let me tell you something. Oh wow, the story behind this company, the owner, everything about these fragrances, it's just a cool deal all the way around. Let me tell you a little bit about the owner. The owner of Beach Geeza is Ryan Huntz. He lives in Austin, Texas, and he was a professional cinematographer that traveled the world and got to go to a lot of exotic places like Bali and India, different places like that. And he got into doing perfuming and worked at it for, I think it was about 2 years, and just, did a lot of trial by fire type of thing. But he's got out 3 fragrances that are available on the market right now that we're gonna go over, and I am just excited to tell you about them. What Beach Geeza does is give you a bite size of a niche fragrance. So you get these little 15 ml of very, very niche quality vacation or exotic vacation or beach vacation in this little bottle. Don't let this little bottle fool you though. It has a big distribution for one thing. Pat-ow, look at that. But the smell is so good. And for all 3 of these fragrances I'm gonna share with you to have the performance and also be, fresh and aquatic and jungle based and all that, they have really, really good performance. This first one that I just sprayed is Coco Moon. This is absolutely insane. I love fresh fragrances. I love coconut. I love pineapple. You get all of that in this, and this is definitely an exotic island, like, I don't know, maybe Tahiti or the Virgin Islands, just somewhere really lush. I mean, even Thailand or something. But what I can see with this is like white sand, beautiful girls with really nice tans and really cute bikinis, sipping Mai Tais or whatever your drink is, water, whatever you like, but just enjoying the scenery, the breeze blowing. This is definitely a vacation captured in this little bottle. Let me tell you what's in it. The notes in Coco Moon are Italian bergamot, fresh pineapple, coconut, tuberose, jasmine, benzoin, sandalwood, cedarwood, oak moss, and vanilla. Another thing that I really like about Beach Geeza is they use all natural ingredients, and they use safe synthetics like ISOE Super or benzoin. And the reason they do that is for the performance. And let me tell you something. These perform, but a word of caution. You will go nose blind. You won't realize that you are still projecting. These will last you all day. Look at this. That is overspraying, is all that is. You don't have to do that with this fragrance, or any of them, to be honest with you. As a matter of fact, they are interchangeable. They're awesome to blend with each other. I have blended all 3 that I'm going to share with you, And 2 of them is one that I actually saw Ryan talking about that he blended, was the Juniper Java and the Coco Moon. Speaking of Juniper Java, let's talk about it. Okay, when I first heard about Juniper Java, I thought it would have the note of what? Coffee. That's what I thought. But this is actually a barbershop scent. That is, oh man, wow. Wow, this is so good. I really love this. I'm kind of torn between which one I like the best out of them. Maybe, I'll just give you an update on Instagram or something, because I'm really impressed by all 3. But the story behind Juniper Java, how the concept of this fragrance came up, let me just read to you and tell you exactly what it says. Imagine the scent of a barbershop that's just tucked into the jungle a little ways from a tropical beach. When you step into this barbershop, you smell fresh citrus notes. As you walk past the barber's chair, you smell not fresh, but French juniper and the notes of fresh cut hay. Wafts of sandalwood and oak moss swirl around you. When you step back outside, you can smell the salty sea air mixing with the smell of vetiver grass from the island of Java. That is an exotic description. I can literally see this plush jungle, and you just go in there and Bob Marley's playing on the radio and they're going in there to get your things. You're going to take care of your dreads, man. Or they're going to buzz cut you or whatever. Let me tell you the notes for Juniper Java. The notes for Juniper Java are Sicilian citron, French juniper, lush jungle accord, mate, Java vetiver, sandalwood, and oak moss. Again, performance. You can tell that this one's performing. The juniper, it really hangs in there on this one. So unlike the Coco Moon, you can still tell that this one's kicking butt and taking names. The first day, or actually the first evening that they came in my mailbox, I wore the Coco Moon. Into the next day, I was wearing that. Then I switched to Juniper Java the following day, which that evening I did the 2. Then I broke into my little sample of ocean water. Let's go over ocean water. Let me tell you, in North Carolina here the past several weeks, it has been so humid, so hot. It's been miserable. And it's little fragrances like this and the other 2 that I just showed you that actually can just, even if it's just for a few moments, just mentally go somewhere else, because your senses will be aroused in the most relaxing way with ocean water. In my opinion, sometimes aquatic or citrus fragrances can be a little tricky to make sexy. But that's not always the case, because I can actually drum up some other ones. But the notes in this one really make this to where this would be something that you would wear on vacation while you're at the beach. Whether it's you're there with your wife, your girlfriend, or looking for a wife or girlfriend, or whatever the case may be. This one, wow. This one is really sexy to be an aquatic fragrance. Let me tell you the notes in this one. The notes in ocean water is cucumber, bergamot, sea salt, driftwood, ambergris, and musk. Now, as I said, those last 2 notes, ambergris and musk, they're notorious for what? Arousing the opposite sex, right? Okay, this one opens up with your citrus, your bergamot, and your cucumber. And then on that dry down is where you really start. You can smell the ambergris in the opening, but it's more citrus in the opening. But that dry down with the ambergris and the musk, and you can get that little bit of sea salt in there. This is an excellent fragrance. Like I said, I don't know which one is my favorite. That Juniper Java, I don't know, Coco Moon? I don't know. Coco Moon seems to be the most popular one, and I understand why, especially this time of year. But if you're looking to lock away all your stress and you want to relax and go to some exotic place, hit Ryan up at Beach Geeza. He'll get you hooked up. These fragrances are also carried at Crystal Fragrances. That's the only other place that I know of that has it. You can buy it directly from Beach Geeza, or you can go to Crystal Fragrances. But excellent fragrant house. I have talked to Ryan a few times on Instagram, just kind of seeing what's going on with him. His excitement for his brand made me excited about his brand before I even got to smell it. When I smelled his fragrances and then seeing his vision that he has for this company makes it a pure pleasure for me to be talking about this fragrance house with you today. That's gonna wrap it up for Beach Geeza today. Lord have mercy, I am excited about this house. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit Ryan up on Instagram, tell him hello, check out his stuff, tell him you saw this on Carolina Fragrance Reviews. Oh, and he did not send any of those fragrances to me. I bought those, it was from my own curiosity. You guys turned me on. Like I said, you know, it's like 25, 30 bucks, whatever they are. Not bad. Yeah, they're 15 ml, but I promise you, they're worth it. If you like this review today, make sure that you're subscribed. If you're not, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss our next upload. Smash that like button. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.